Okay, so to solve this question, I'll just remind you two things. So first, when x goes to 0, we had this rule that I talked about it, right? So ax over bx, this limit here is just going to be a over b, right? It's going to be, you're just going to be dividing this numbers. And in particular, when a and b are equal to 1, then you have sine x over x, which equals 1, because a and b are 1 means you just get 1. Okay, so let's just put this aside. Okay, and also, if you have this, if x is on top and sine x is on the bottom, that's still going to be 1. This is still 1. Let's just put this aside, and then look, see how we can manipulate this. So limit, well, first of all, when you put 0 there, it's going to be sine 0 over sine 0, which is 0 over 0. So then I'm going to manipulate it this way. So x goes to 0. So I'm going to write it like this. I'm going to say, okay, this is 4x, and then divide it by. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 4x. If I multiply top and bottom by the same number, then nothing will change. So then this will be like this. So 9x is here. I just multiply top and bottom by 4x. Okay. And now I'm going to split this. Okay. Because when you have a product, and one of the property of limit is splitting the product, right? So you can write it like this: 4x times limit x goes to 0, 4x over sine 9x. Okay, so this is exactly going to be 1, right? Because 4 divided by 4 is 1. This limit is 1. And this limit right here is just going to be 4 over 9. So you're just going to divide those coefficients. So that will be, so I will write it like this. Let me just, so I'll write it like this. So this portion here, actually, we can do limit x goes to 9, and I'll write this using 1, and then I'll write the reciprocal. So this will be sine of 9x over 4x, right? That's the same as 4x over sine 9x over 9x. Okay, so this limit right here is 9 over 4. So when you do reciprocal, it's 4 over 9. That's why you can just do 4 over 9. So then overall, the first limit is 4, and then the second limit is 4 over 9. So then overall, the limit is just going to be 4 over 9. Okay. All right, so hopefully that helps.